If you're considering becoming a yoga teacher, or if you're already a yoga teacher and you'd like to deepen your yoga skills or your business skills, you've come to the right place. My name is Lucas Rockwood. I'm the founder of the Yoga Teachers College. I started training teachers professionally way back in 2006. And the story of why I started training teachers is very important. I had a very busy studio. I was trying to hire teachers, and all the applicants I got were certified but unqualified, meaning they had a piece of paper, but they couldn't lead a class. My first teacher training courses were 100% internal trainings. We trained teachers, we put them on contract, and we hired them. The reason this is important to you is because since day one, my focus has always been on professional teacher training. This was not meant to be adult camp. It wasn't about singing songs. It was about getting up in front of a group of people and leading a professional class, leading transformative classes in a professional way. To date, we have thousands of teachers teaching in 41 countries, a dozen different styles, and our focus is really taking passionate students and turning them into professional teachers. Our programs are the most rigorous and the most accredited in the world. One of our programs is even endorsed for university level credit, something that no other course in the world can claim. On this website, you'll find links to all of our upcoming courses. If you're excited to learn more about what we have to offer, if you'd like to go deeper with your teaching and your business, scroll down for details, get in touch, and let's see if we can train together in the next coming year.